Hello. E reng in lockdown mo ngwaneng? Maybe it's not such a bad thing if you look at it differently. Maybe you can actually use this opportunity to do that which you have always wanted to do but did not have time, like exercising. Oh, by the way, the gyms are closed. Oh, who said you need a gym to exercise? Not always. All you need sometimes is just a little space and a yoga mat. Talking about yoga, why don't you let me show you how to do Utkatasana, the chair pose, the one pose that will help strengthen your leg calves and all the lower leg muscles. It will help you open the chest, stimulate the abdominal organs, and as for your hamstrings, your glutes, and your quadriceps, they might just say thank you later. Do you have a yoga mat? What are you still waiting for? Let's go. Bring your legs just a little bit width apart. Bring your arms above your head. Assume a sitting position as low as you can and bring your palms together. Make sure you are able to breathe in this position and make sure your knees are not too bent beyond your toes. Now extend your right leg behind you in a lunge position. Bring your arms above your head. Stretch your arms to stretch your shoulder blades. Bring your hands back together. Extend your right leg to the side. We're just variating. Bring it back into a squat position. Remember, yoga is like mathematics. Whatever you do on your right hand side, you need to also do that on your left to bring a bit of a balance. Let's start and do it on the left side. Your legs hip width apart, your arms above your head. Assume a sitting position. Hands together. Your left leg behind you, extended. Arms above your head. Bring your hands back together. Extend your left leg to the side. Back to a squatting pose. Hands on the floor. Slowly come up. Let's do it one more time with a little bit of a variation. Arms above your head. Assume a sitting position. Extend your right leg behind you. Now twist your upper body to the side. Lowering your right elbow towards your left knee. Extend your arms. Bring your left arm behind you, underneath your bent knee, and try to grab hold of your fingers. Keep breathing. We're almost there. Release your arms, hands together. Bring your right leg back to your left. Extend your left leg. Twist your upper body to the side. Release your arms, upper arm behind you, underneath your bent knee. Grab hold of your fingers. Keep breathing. Release. Hands together. Bring your knees together. Gently and slowly anchor yourself. Namaste.